Hi, I'm 𝗘𝗹𝗲𝗰𝗵, Manufacturing Director at Vector BioMed. As the cell and gene therapy sector continues to grow, we faced several challenges in our manufacturing process. One of the surprises was the unexpected complexity of our 12-core master batch records. We initially planned for 3 design reviews. However, soon after, we realized that we needed to do a deeper, more comprehensive review of our batch records in order to comply with strict GMP standards. We transitioned into an agile approach, doing weekly sprints and reviews as we develop our recipes. We chose BatchLine for several reasons. It is a lightweight, flexible, cloud-based Lite MES designed to manage manufacturing workflows digitally. It also has a very cost-effective deployment and support model, a seamless user experience, and offered scalability and flexibility to enhance compliance in our processes. Definitely start early. It sets a strong foundation for growth. Expect complexity. It reveals process gaps. Embrace them. Be agile. It enables faster, better outcomes. Involve users early. It ensures adoption and relevance. Automate wisely. It unlocks efficiencies and compliance. And lastly, test before scaling. It de-risks the process before going go live. We believe that embracing digital manufacturing solutions like BatchLine, Lite MES is essential for staying competitive and meeting the future demands of cell and gene therapy. We invite others in the industry to learn from our journey. The shift to electronic batch records with BatchLine Lite MES has been transformative.